In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite anyone to your Trello board, whether you want them to simply view it or fully collaborate as a member or admin. There are actually two different types of links in Trello, and understanding the difference is the key to sharing your board the right way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use both methods properly and avoid common mistakes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board you want to share. For example, I'm inside a board called Remote Team. At the top of your board, near the title, you'll see the visibility setting. This is very important because it controls who can access your board through the board link. Let's talk about the first type of link, the board link. This is simply the URL in your browser. If your board is set to private, only board members can access it, even if you send someone the link. If it's set to Workspace, then all members of your Trello workspace can see and edit the board. And if you set it to public, anyone with the link can view the board, even without being added as a member. To change this, click on Visibility. You'll see options like Private, Workspace, and Public. If you want anyone with the link to view the board, click Public, and then confirm by selecting Yes, Make Board Public. Now the board link can be shared, and anyone can view it. Keep in mind, this only allows viewing unless they are added as members. If you prefer to keep your board private or limited to Workspace members, then you should use the second method, which is the Share link from the Share panel. In the top right area of your board, click the Share button. A panel will open where you can invite people directly by email, but more importantly, you can generate a join link. Inside this panel, click on Change Permissions. Here, you can decide what role someone will get when they join using the link. You'll see options like can join as observer or can join as member. An observer can view and comment, but can't edit cards, while a member can fully edit the board. Select the permission level you want. For example, click Can join as member if you want full collaboration access. Then confirm by clicking Change Permissions. Once you've selected the correct role, click Copy Link. This generates a special invite link. Anyone who uses this link will automatically join the board with the permission level you selected. This is different from the public board link because it actually adds them to the board. Now, let's quickly clarify how visibility works with Workspace settings. If you click on Visibility again and choose Workspace, it means all members of your Trello workspace can see and edit the board. You may also see detailed descriptions like all members of the Trello workspace can see and edit this board, or board members and workspace admins can see and edit this board. These options control access at the workspace level, not through a public link. So to summarize, the board URL only works for public viewing if the board is set to public, but the Share panel link allows people to join as observers or members depending on the permission you choose. If you want collaboration, always use the Share button and generate the proper join link. And that's it. Now you know the difference between Trello's board link and the Share invite link, and you can confidently invite anyone to your Trello board the right way. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.